Hey everyone, welcome back to Miner Stacker Hub. Today, I'm showing you exactly how I buy GMT with my Coinbase account and lock it for the max 34.45% APR and 20% plus discount, live on my phone with real money and real clicks. I'm starting from my current 112 terahash farm, and you can follow along even if you have 0 GMT right now. Open the GoMining app, tap the wallet tab at the bottom, and then tap the big purple plus button next to GMT. Choose Buy with Card, tap Coinbase Pay. It's the fastest. Log into my Coinbase account. When it pops up, I'm putting in $20. This time, confirm the purchase, and boom, about 55 GMT lands instantly in my wallet. Now tap back, scroll down a little, and hit lock for the GoMining. I'm going to lock it for the full 55 GMT I just bought. I'm going to slide it for the duration all the way to 4 years for the full 34.45% APR. Then tap lock and confirm. Done. It's locked instantly. Now go to the maintenance tab and watch your coverage days jump in the discount update. Now every Tuesday, you'll now get paid weekly GMT reward. So you can relock, keep your fees at 0 forever, or you can just let them stack up in your wallet. If you're brand new, use my link and code 7SM6B9R in the description for 5% off plus a free bonus miner. Comment lock when you finish, and I'll send you this week's best bounty. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Let's keep stacking.